Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. So you bought a handgun and now you need to clean it. So you need to go out and you need to buy a pistol cleaning kit. This nice little compact kit from BOOSTEADY has got everything you need to clean your gun. It's got a really nice hard case. You get a bunch of cotton patches. You get the brass rods and the handle. You get a cleaning tool for stubborn areas. The best part about this are that the brushes and cleaning tips are made out of brass instead of cheap plastic. You also get a cleaning brush. You can attach this. Does a nice job. This gives you everything you need to clean all your pistols from 22 caliber up to 45 ACP, all in a compact little case. It fits perfectly in a range bag. If you're going out in the field and you happen to be shooting a lot and you're going to have to clean your guns, you can fit this thing almost anywhere. The quality is surprisingly good for something that you can pick up for about $16. I like it a lot. I like this case is very hard and rugged. And they make great products. I reviewed a universal cleaning kit a couple of weeks ago, which was also very good quality. But I like that this is made specifically for pistols. And you don't need to have a big bulky kit on you. Carry this thing. You could pretty much store this anywhere. It takes up no room. It's very good quality. It's from BOOSTEADY. I'll put their link in the description. Like I said, this gives you everything you need to clean 22 caliber, 380, 9mm, 38, 357, 40 caliber, 10mm, up through 45 ACP. So if you're looking for a affordable, very good quality pistol cleaning kit, I highly recommend this one. Thank you for watching. Till next time.